Hi, Smiles, Red Songbird, Michelle Birdsong in New York City. I'm going to read to you the poem If. The summer before my son, Sing Birdsong, that's Sing Birdsong. It says live free. I think this is on his Instagram account. He's free because he doesn't care what you think. He's going to be himself. And that's freedom, when you can be yourself regardless of what other people think of you. So the summer before my son Sing Birdsong entered the private school, I'll just leave the camera on him while I read this. Private school St. Luke's on Hudson Street in Manhattan for the first time as a student. I had him memorize the poem If to present to his new class per the school's suggestion for all students returning and new. The school didn't suggest they read the poem If, but they suggested they read a poem. Okay. A few words about the poem If from Wikipedia. If is a poem by English Nobel laureate Rudyard Kipling, written circa 1895 as a tribute to Leander Starr Jameson. It is a literary example of Victorian-era Stoicism. The poem first published in Rewards and Fairies, 1910, chapter Brother Square, Toes is written in the form of paternal advice to the poet's son John. Okay, let's begin. F. By Rudyard Kipling. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you and make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait but not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give away to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster, and treat those imposters just the same. Isn't that just so brilliant? Wow. If you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn-out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours as the earth and everything that's in it. And, which is more, you'll be a man, my son. And I added, and or a human who's one. Think about it. Now up here I decoded the word distance. It says daughter, D for daughter, is, ST for saint, AN for angel Michelle, N for entered, N for North Carolina, C for Carolina, E for energy, enmity. Okay, so let's read the whole thing together. Daughter of the sun is Saint Angel Michelle, entered North Carolina energy enmity, and came away feeling very well. Because even though her so-called friends snubbed her because she was looking poor having been homeless, the guru married her that day and gave her a baby. So she had every reason to feel very well, don't you think? Okay, that's it. So long. That's If by Rudyard Kipling, if you want to read it for yourself.